Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we customize a screen timeout setting in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to customize your screen timeout. So how can you customize yourself, and guys how can you set your screen timeout setting yourself. In this video I am going to show you friends. So is now let's see how to customize screen timeout. Friends, open your phone setting to customize, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can say display and brightness, tap here, again scroll. As you can see, auto screen off, guys, tap here. So friends, you can customize yourself from here into like 30 minutes. Why 30 seconds per minute. So if you click on 30 seconds, so your phone screen will off in within 30 seconds. Because you want to customize into 1 minute, so as you can customize into 1 minute friends also. Again come here guys, you want to customize into means you want to set into 1 minute, you can set from here. So as time is guys 8:54 and 8:55 guys, your phone screen will off automatic. Means after 1 minute guys, your phone screen will off automatic if you do not touch anywhere. So like that guys, you can customize your screen timeout in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.